Hi friends, this video shows how to make submersible starter connection. First I am going to explain circuit diagram of submersible starter. So here you can see one circle. So this is the motor. Inside motor you can see one run winding and one start winding. From run winding there is one cable which is going outside from the motor, that is the red cable. From start winding there is one cable going outside from the motor, that is the yellow cable. There is one more cable which is going outside from the cable, that is a blue wire. You can see that blue wire is connected to both run and start winding, so we call it as common cable. You can see that blue cable is directly connected to the neutral of the main power supply, and phase from the main power supply is directly connected to the red cable which is coming from the run winding of the motor. Next I am going to check the capacitor. You can see where capacitor is connected. We can directly connect capacitor to the red and yellow cables which are coming from the motor. This capacitor connection is very simple. We can directly connect it to the red and yellow cables which are coming from the motor. So this is a circuit diagram. So let me make one starter connection. I already said three wires, red, yellow and blue, which are coming from the motor. So these are the wires, red, yellow and blue. So first I am going to connect capacitor to the red and yellow cable. So this capacitor I am going to connect to this red and yellow cable. Okay, so this is the capacitor, and you can see, so these two cables, this is coming from the capacitor. So I am going to connect to red, one end of the capacitor to red cable and another end of the capacitor to yellow cable. Okay, done. So now I have completed this capacitor connection. Okay, so next I am going to connect this neutral from the main power supply to the blue wire of the motor. You can see this blue wire, there is nothing is connected. I am going to connect this neutral from the main power supply to the blue wire. So these are the phase and neutral from the main power supply. So I am going to connect this neutral to this blue. So now this is done. Next we need to connect phase from the main power supply to the red. You can see capacitor already connected to red, so we need to connect main from the phase to the red. You can see capacitor already connected to red cable, you can see here. So let me take this phase from the main power supply and connect that cable here. Now you can see total 3 cables connected together here. 3 cables, you can see phase, capacitor and red, that is this one. So this is a connection. So if you want a switch, you can connect switch here. So let me take one switch. We can see one switch here. So we can just remove this phase, don't connect here. Instead of that, we can connect that phase to switch. Connect phase to switch. Okay, then another end of the this end of the switch we can connect to this red cable which is coming from the motor. So now this starter connection completed. So this way we can make a submersible starter. So I hope you enjoy this video. Please subscribe my channel, please like and share the video.